So this is my helicopter. Here you can see that my helicopter is just hovering on sky. So what my helicopter is doing in this condition? My helicopter is just maintaining GPE to hold its position on sky. You can understand this condition with the help of a water bucket. So this is my water bucket, but there is hole on the bottom of it. If I want to manage the water level, then how much water is coming in bucket should equal to how much water is going out from the bucket at the same time to maintain the water level. Same in helicopter. If I want to maintain the GPE, then how much energy helicopter is taking should equal to how much energy helicopter is losing to maintain the height and to maintain the GPE. If I want to increase the helicopter's height from the ground, then I need to provide more power to rotor to gain GPE. You can understand this with our water bucket. If I want to increase the water level, then how much water is coming inside the bucket should be greater than how much water is coming out from the bucket to increase the water level. So in helicopter, if I want to gain GPE, then how much energy helicopter is taking should be greater than how much energy helicopter is losing to gain GPE. If I want to decrease the water level, then how much water is coming out from the bucket should be greater than how much water is coming in the bucket to decrease the water level. Same in helicopter. If I want to decrease the distance between helicopter and ground, then how much energy I am losing should be greater than how much energy I am providing to the rotor. So what is the common in these three conditions? In water bucket, water flow need in all of these three conditions. Water should flow. Same in helicopter. Energy should flow to gain GPE, to lose GPE, to maintain GPE. Energy should flow in all these three conditions. So this is another case where my helicopter is just sitting on the top of the hill. In this condition, I do not need to work. I don't need to provide power to the rotor to maintain this distance. Helicopter don't need to use energy continuously to hold this position. So you can understand this condition with again help of a water bucket. So this is my water bucket. Once I filled this bucket with water, my bucket is holding water level because there is no hole on the bottom. So I don't need to put continuously water on bucket to maintain water level. Same in helicopter. My helicopter is maintaining holding gravitational potential energy, and I don't need to work to maintain this energy because there is hill between ground and my helicopter.